Alright, this is AForeman. We are not able to upload the data file as it is too big. As you can see here, I've already done one, and that would be the density map. Let's go ahead and delete this. Delete, and we will do that density map again, I suppose. So here we're going to select the country. You said select it and go all the way to the bottom. Hit shift, click the cell, go back up to the top. Alright, that's how my life's going to work today. That's fine. There we go. We're going to go to the density. If I hit control, I can select that one, then scroll all the way down, and if I hit shift, it will also select it instead of just dragging it. Once we have our data selected, I'm going to go up to insert, maps, filled maps, and here we go. I already selected to have it do something, so it is able to populate the map. As you can see, mine looks similar to yours, if not exactly the same. The outliers are not in this map. Density, map 2. I had already deleted the other one. So, as you like to see it, we'll put it in move the chart to a different sheet. Click OK, and we'll view it there. I chose to do it through a video because I was unable to do it any other way. I tried to use the link, it wouldn't upload. It wouldn't show me the information because it was too big. I tried to do the embed, that didn't work. I tried to get it onto OneDrive, that did not work, so I figured this would be the best way. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial, and thank you for watching.